Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we take on the biggest questions in the universe. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever had that weird feeling like you've been in the same place or situation before? Almost like déjà vu? What if I told you that there could be another universe out there where you've lived that moment before, but with a different outcome? Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's just one of the mind-bending ideas we're exploring today with the multiverse theory. This concept is so wild, it could completely change the way you think about reality. So grab some popcorn and get comfy, because we're about to dive into a world where anything, and I mean anything, is possible. Let's get started. Imagine right now, there's another version of you out there, living a completely different life, making different choices, existing in a parallel universe. What if I told you that everything you've ever known might be just one of countless realities? Welcome to the mind-bending world of the multiverse theory. The multiverse theory, an idea that has captivated physicists, philosophers, and science fiction fans alike. It challenges the very foundation of our understanding of reality. But what exactly is the multiverse, and why is it so significant? In today's video, we're diving deep into this fascinating theory that could change everything we think we know about our universe. Despite its allure, the multiverse theory presents a significant challenge to scientists. How do you prove the existence of something that's potentially beyond our observable universe? How can we test, measure, or even perceive other universes when they might be completely isolated from our own? These questions have sparked intense debate in the scientific community, making the multiverse one of the most controversial ideas in modern physics. There are various interpretations of the multiverse theory, each more intriguing than the last. Let's explore a few of them. First, we have Level 1, Infinite Universe. Imagine if our universe is just one of an infinite number of universes within an ever-expanding space. In this view, every possible outcome of every decision you've ever made exists somewhere out there. Next, we have Level 2 Bubble Universes. In the inflationary model, the universe we live in is just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam. Other bubbles, other universes, could have entirely different physical laws, making them alien and unimaginable to us. Then, there's Level 3 Quantum Multiverse. According to quantum mechanics, every time a decision is made, the universe splits, creating parallel realities where each possible outcome occurs. This means that every choice, big or small, results in a new branch of reality. Finally, we have Level 4 Mathematical Universes. Some scientists propose that any conceivable universe governed by mathematical laws can exist. In this theory, mathematics isn't just a tool to describe the universe, it's the very fabric of reality. But perhaps the most mind-blowing aspect of the multiverse theory is the possibility that there could be alternate versions of different lives, different paths, different outcomes, all existing simultaneously in other universes. Could these alternate versions of ourselves be influencing our decisions? Could they be living the lives we've only dreamed of? The multiverse theory doesn't just challenge our understanding of the cosmos, it forces us to reconsider the very nature of existence. The multiverse theory is as profound as it is perplexing. It suggests that our universe is just one of many, possibly infinite, realities, each with its own rules, possibilities, and outcomes. Whether or not we'll ever be able to prove the existence of these other universes remains to be seen. But one thing is certain, the multiverse theory expands our understanding of what might be possible, pushing the boundaries of science and imagination. What do you think? Could the multiverse be real, or is it just a fantastical idea? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you have come this far, add a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon and share with your friends and family. And don't forget to check out my other videos where we explore more of the universe's greatest mysteries. Until next time, keep questioning the world around you, because reality might be stranger than you think.